You know what we should do? We should plop the damn thing. Let's just do this, okay? Hi everyone, my name's Caitlin. Welcome back to my channel. If you read the title of this video, you know that I'm going to be trying out plopping. I just learned what plopping was just recently and I've never tried it out, so I thought it would be fun to film it and see the results. Now, disclaimer, please don't judge me because like I said, I have never done this before, so if I do it wrong, I can only learn from this. But yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of nervous because I just have a feeling that my hair is gonna turn out the way it does when I sleep on wet hair. And yeah, I know I'm being really negative, but I'm kind of scared that this isn't gonna look good. But I'm going to give it a shot. I've watched a few videos, and to be honest, I don't really know what the purpose of plopping is because everyone kind of did it differently. Like, they all did it the same way, as in they used a t-shirt, but some of them left it overnight, some of them did it for an hour or so. So I don't know if the purpose is to help quicken the drying process or if this is an overnight remedy type thing. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna give it a shot. I have a lot of things to do today, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it on for a few hours and then come back and see, because I know my hair takes forever to dry. Even if I left it on for 24 hours, it wouldn't be dry. So I think that's what we're gonna do. So without further ado, let's get plopping. I can't say that anyway and it not be weird. So without further ado, let's get plopping. So just all in the middle, and then I kind of did an accordion type thing. And then pull this flap. Oh, there's no escape here. Okay, I think I figured it out. Okay, so I've plopped it. This is how it looks. I think I did it correctly. I mean, I don't have a lot of hair, so, and it feels like it's all in one place. So I hope I did this right. Yeah, it's a little, I don't ever really like things on my head, so I'm not gonna say I'm so comfortable, but it's not tight or anything. Oh my god, look, a little hair escaped. Oh no. Is that gonna taint the results now? Well, I got a little rat tail. I'm gonna tuck you back in there. So I'm back and it's been a few hours, so I am very much ready to take this off of my head because I am very impatient and I'm going to lose daylight soon. So, and that's what I used to film. So let's go ahead and take this off. Ugh. How do I take this off? Oh my gosh. My hair is still wet, for sure. But it's kind of how I expected it to be. It's very much clumped and defined. I like it. I'm not mad about it. Wow. What the heck? Wow. I'm kind of impressed. Okay, I don't know if I should air dry it or diffuse it. What the heck? This is insane. Oh, wow. Should I leave it on for longer? Will that like disrupt the process now? Whoa. What? It's like super shiny too. Or is that just because it's wet? I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to diffuse it just because I don't want it to get dark and then I won't really have good resolution for you guys to see. So I'm gonna like just diffuse it a little bit. I mean, majority of it's still a lot wet. What am I saying? But it's like not dripping. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna diffuse it and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, and I'm back, and sorry for the lighting, but this is what we're working with. And honestly, I'm very surprised. Very surprised. Like, this turned out a lot better than I expected. I expected this to be a complete flop, and I'm gonna say this is a success because my curls look good. It looks good all over. Like, it's not like, usually the back is my problem area, which doesn't like, will be a little more frizzier and stuff, but it is looking like the front, and or it feels at least like the front. This is a good one. I don't know, you guys saw my reaction when I took it out, so I'm very surprised. I will say that I think I do prefer diffusing just because you have a little more control of how your hair dries, but for the amount of effort that you have to put into this, it's really great results. Like, this would definitely be something that you do for an overnight sleep and then wake up in the morning and your hair would probably still be a little bit wet, at least mine would, and it just dries pretty much within the hour, I'm sure. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this again, especially because I'm so lazy, and I think it looks great. I will say it did give me a little bit of a headache, and that is only because I don't like anything on my head, so I'm a little more sensitive, but yeah, that's it really. I hope you guys try this out because it may work for you as well. So yeah, try it out, let me know. I'm glad I did this. I'm glad I filmed it. Like, I'm very surprised. Like, the more it dries, the more volume I see and the more I like it. This is crazy. I'm gonna do this again. What the heck? Wow. Okay. I'm getting a little too excited, so that means we have to close out this video. Like this video if it helped you out. Please comment down below if you try this out and if it helped you or if it worked for you. That's it. Subscribe to this channel. We're almost at 1,000 and that's so exciting. So yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in next week's video.